Today I will introduce you our FarmCube Ultra, the multi-purpose, the multi-role cabinet. It's a grow lab. I will show you how you can control our cabinet. You can customize the lighting, the multi-colors. Okay, red, blue, white, UV, ultraviolet. Every color can manageable hold the cabinet, every layer. So now we will make the red. Every layer is red. So you can customize the spectrum. Now we will go for the blue. Every layer is the blue. Now we will go to the white. Every layer is the white. Now we will go for the red. You see, every layer have the red. Now we will go for the UV, ultraviolet. Here's the UV. Every layer is a UV now. Now we will go with the different colors with every layer. The blue, the white, and the full spectrum. You can customize every layer, different spectrum. You can customize irrigation separately, the climate separately, and with remote control,